everyone, it's AC Coder. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a simple project with my Circuit Playground Express for the first time. Firstly, I'm going to start by explaining what the Circuit Playground Express is. The Circuit Playground is a family of small microcontrollable boards with LEDs, buttons and sensors built in. The Circuit Playground is designed for physical computing. What does the Circuit Playground do? The Circuit Playground has an infrared receiver and transmitter. It can receive and transmit any remote control codes, as well as sending messages between Circuit Playground Expresses. It can also act as a proximity sensor, and much more. Now I'm going to show you the parts of the Circuit Playground Express board. Now I'm going to try a project called the Visual Thermometer. This is how the project works. There are three main points to explain how the project works. The Circuit Playground has lights on the board, and they show the temperature between 0 and 40 degrees. The lights will light up to a position on the wheel that is closest to the current temperature. The lights show a gradient from blue to red. Now I'm going to do the code. This is the code that I did using MakeCode. On the left side of the screen you can see a simulator that shows an example of what the code will look like on the Circuit Playground. Now I'm going to try this around the house to see if the temperature changes. Disclaimer: this shows the concept of how a physical thermometer works. Please note the temperatures shown are not a reflection of the temperatures at that time. The temperature difference between each neopixel is 4 degrees. I noticed that the first two places I tried out the temperature, it stayed the same. I thought the case on the Circuit Playground might be affecting the results, so I took it off to see if anything would change. This is also due to the sensitivity of the temperature sensor. When I tested out the Circuit Playground in the freezer, it took around 3 minutes for the sensor to respond, which was longer than it took in other rooms. At the beginning of testing the Circuit Playground in the freezer, there were 5 neopixels shining, which is around 20 degrees, but when I took it out for a few seconds, there were 6 neopixels shining, which was around 24 degrees. The Circuit Playground started by showing 5 neopixels, which is around 20 degrees, and it stayed like that for a bit, but then it started flashing, so it was showing around 16 to 20 degrees, and it did that for around 11 seconds. It started at 28 degrees and then it dropped down to 24 degrees. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also check out my Twitter and Pinterest. All the links of resources I used in today's video will be in the description box below. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!